On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Help another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang. We all took the SFP on the shitter this morning. That's the way we're starting this stream. That is the way we are starting the stream today. SFP call from the shitter. Did you know that Thomas Crapper, the inventor of the toilet, hence why they call it taking a crap, his name was Thomas. Thank you, Thomas Crapper. I mean, if you're part of the Discord, my non-financial advice statement was that we got an SFP this morning from the toilet. That was what you get when you join the best Discord in all crypto. You get, I'm on the shitter. That was an SFP. And then I come on here and I admit it because we're making crypto honest again, baby. Let's go. Oh, it didn't hit record this morning either. Yeah. Solana SFP up to 90 already. Guys, I shorted it down. I'm longing it up. I did not hit my goal of 150K last month. I got to 148. Oh, it's so hard, Alex. You egotistical bastard. Oh my God, you only got to $148,000 last month. You stupid twat. What's going on, man? That was the best month. I don't know if I'll ever beat that month again. I'm very, very chilled now. I think I'm done for the year. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're all I told you, SFP. I entered in a small trade, and then I added to the trade up here, guys. So I was in like I'm on the toilet trade, like a quarter of a position size trade, because you can't, it's kind of like a seance in the morning. You can't be nervous, You can't be nervous. I told the Discord though. And then I added to the trade up here. And now we're why add? Because we have breakout, retest, continuation. So we have V-shaped recovery, we have SFP, we have breakdown, retest, continuation. Okay. So that's why I added, looking to come and take the liquidity out of the highs. As a scalper with rules, this is my retest in here. Hanging man engulfing. And just wanting to take it up to where the liquidity is. Now we have taken the liquidity out of these highs in here, right? Because price action is hunting liquidity. So naturally, if we sweep the liquidity out of the lows here from this move, and we recover the range, rules-based trading, you can get long on here. You can buy this candle. Okay, we all have the rules in the Discord. Okay, you target liquidity from above, right? So your liquidity is there and it's here, right? So you're looking to take this high, these highs, which you just took right now, and then these guys in here. Okay, so you got a couple of targets if you want. I'm mostly out, obviously. Who doesn't like starting the Monday with, I think I made 200 on the way down, 205 on the way down this morning, and then 500 on the way up, man. We this thing's so far, Solana's our biatch this morning. Okay. Happy days. Look, up $762 this morning. That is where it's at, baby. Let's go. GG's. Let's say good morning to everybody. Hopefully we're all having a wonderful day. Taking trades. Hanging out with you guys. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Good morning. AlexOCrypto starting it off with a bang. She bangs. Oh, baby. She moves. What's going on? Rashad, Muckin. They still haven't fixed the names. Eh, Kathy? Not Mike. JB. Alexander G. We are going to run... I've felt festive, so I'm gonna run the Black Friday sale until the new year for everybody switching over, for everybody wanting to join, for everybody getting wrecked in this market. We are going to have a festive December for all those people who've gotten wrecked. So I'm just gonna continue it because I feel like. I feel like the gang deserves more members to make fun of. No, I'm kidding. I wouldn't do that, but I'm gonna extend it just because. Why not? It will end. It will end eventually, but I'm gonna extend it. Cryptoholic, what's going on? JB, it's we're gonna do an advent calendar giveaway. Maybe I don't know how to set something like that up. I can't just give you chocolate through the screen. I would love to give you chocolate through the screen. Good morning, Menace. Good morning, Chicken. Good to see you, bro. How you doing? It's crazy how you can come to the charts. I literally have been in the charts since, 5:30. So half an hour and I've made $700, which is like a wage in Canada. Like I've made someone's weekly wage in Canada in 30 minutes. It's pretty funny. It's not funny. It's like this is why I come and hang out with you guys, because if you feel like you're cheating the system somehow. Army Piper, what's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. How you doing? Welsh Jesse, Tim, good morning. Midas, the Golden Touch. Henderson, what's going on? Decent Crypto, Lasers. Crypto Zhang, Mark Gustafson, Drum, good morning. Django got the SFP call from the pooper. I made the call, and even Doodoo, who's in our Discord, even Doodoo came in right after me. So I said, potential SFP. This was me, right? I was right there. I was like this, watching the chart, and I'm like, here it comes, man. I'm gonna let them know this was me texting away this morning. I said, this was call from the toilet, not financial advice. And then Doodoo, our friend Doodoo, he says good morning right after that. Timing is excellent, guys. You got Doodoo, you're hilarious, man. Good morning, bro. Oh, the Discord is absolutely the shit. Oh, man. Too funny. Village, what's going on? DG fan, Keen Bean Harp, what's going on? Glad we got sorted yesterday. 12 Big Dal. Every time I come in the chat, this guy. Tim is always negative Nancy. Maybe he only longs. Maybe. Who knows? Dal, who knows, man? Chad P. 12 Big Dal, you've been around forever, man. Good to see you, bro. Fakir, good morning. Patrick Swayze, Chad P. Mustard. Milan, good morning. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Keen Beam, Village Streams. Alexander G. Dr. Goat. What's going on, man? Good to see you, man. Guten Morgen. Gang, gang, gang. Gang, bang. Village stream. Whatever you're into, bro. Isaac, good morning. Django. Alexander G. Good to see you. Froth Dog. Billionaire. Crypto Dog. Cam, what's going on? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Army Piper, man. It was porcelain. It was absolutely porcelain. You just want more tickets at minute. Dude, I cannot handle the tickets. I have gotten to a point of, like, I need to call a therapist about tickets, man. I'm seeing tickets in my dreams. Django, Dylan, Jake, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Dorton, Jackson, what's going on? Dylan, Ella, Village Stream. Good shit, bro. Thanks, Isaac. We in profits, baby. Let's go. The gang should be in profits. Chantel, good morning. I mean, SFP in the pink box, guys. How could you get any better than that, man? Lorelei, what's going on? I think that's Lorelei. Shanti, Hunt, good morning, Dusty. Rest easy. Good morning. Good to see you, Shumi. Army Piper. Army Piper has a definite hard-on about the amount of data that's coming out this week. I tell you that much, guys. We have Solana's pushing here, looking to come up to VWAP, sweep these highs. Looking good so far. I'll probably close this out up here on the SFP here. Take the money and run. Nothing like a good old like $600 in the morning. If we do come take this high, I'm not going to be a dick for a tick. I'd rather re-enter here. So let's just take it off. There we go. Good job, Soy Boy Lana. You guys know me in the place to be. Or should I keep it on here to show everybody who joins this stream that I'm in a Solana long from this morning? Should I be that guy? Put a 1 in the chat if I hold it. Put a 2 in the chat if I should close it. Felipe Colin, good morning, Lava. Alexander G. We're going to have to change the code name, guys. We're going to have to change the code name. What should the code be for the Christmas special? You guys let me know. Melissa, good morning. Sky. Assassin, what's going on? Deep. Good morning, Dylan. Good to see you, man. Hot Tamale, my man, what's going on? Tony Soprano. Offshore Miner. I should hold it, eh? I should hold it just so that everybody who joins the stream should see that I'm a trader. 165 centimeters. It says, I think I'm like Ryan Smith. I think it says 165 centimeters on my driver's license, but I think I'm like 162, bro, to be honest. I wear my Air Forces when they do the height check, even with my doctor, because every short king knows. Come on, short kings in the chat. Put a 5 if you know that the Air Forces add about 1.5 inches to your height. Did you guys know that? All the ladies out there. So if they're wearing Air Forces, they're short. Or they have short syndrome, whatever that is. Porcelain advice, that's the one. Eggnog, pudding nog. All right. Hold it. They say hold the trade. Okay. Mark Dutch, what's going on? Good to see you. Tony Soprano. Freedom. JRMO. Seats, Tim, ladies, wrecked. Let's go. Deepak, Mike, 8 Breath. Good morning, guys. Good to see you guys, Belkin. When moon? I don't think we're gonna moon. I think we're gonna chop in this area and then eventually come for the low. I think there's a lot of liquidity to come for from yesterday. Obviously, down only. However, the lows are probably most likely what we are coming for. So we'll see. Should have closed the trade, right, everyone? Just call me Al. Good morning. Good to see you, multi-sig. Tom Crown, my man. Aboard the Titanic. Yeah, man. It's last night kind of tricked me a little bit. Like NASDAQ opened up positively last night and then roll over. Good to see you, Tom. How you doing? I think everybody should be subscribed to Tom here. But Tom, you hit 200 yet? You almost there, bro? Oh, God bless you, bro. You're almost there. 196. That's cool, man. Thank you, bro, for coming and saying hi. Tom, guys, the best FOMC streamer in the world. Good trader, good person, good human. God bless you, bro. Hopefully you had a wonderful Thanksgiving, man. How you been? Thank you for dropping by. Good to see you, Django. Army Piper, Data Chub. You got a Data Chub. I mean, we got a lot of data coming out here. Isn't Chair Powell speaking today, isn't he? Are you doing a Chair Powell stream there, Tom? Are you going to do the Chair Powell? I can't do it like you, man. But I know you. Everybody copied Tom Crown on streaming FOMC. So do you know what I did when I first did it? An FOMC stream. I like trading the FOMC, so I'll trade it. But the first time I did it, in honor of Tom Crown, is I streamed Tom Crown on my YouTube. Yeah, so I was streaming Tom Crown streaming the stream of the FOMC. See, we are all in a simulation, guys. In honor of Tom Crown, of course. We're all in a simulation. Hello, D-Wanker. D-Wanker Barman. Thank you. Come again. So we should call it the eggnog? Okay. You guys are so bad, man. Cole. My name isn't Dick. No, it's Richard Froth. Holy shite. The sky is falling. Make crypto honest again. That's not bad. Ho ho, Alex O. I really like that one. Ho ho, Alex O. Code is Opium. Ho ho, Alex O is in the win. Good morning from Fort Lauderdale. What's going on, guy? Good to see you, bro. Cuban, good morning. Good to see you guys. Eggnog. I love eggnog, man. Eggnog's good. That's the good stuff. All right, so let's take a look at it, guys. What are we? Well, we're going to zero. You got your Bart Simpson, right? Hello. Welcome to crypto, Grandma. Okay, a little bit of Opium. Chop since Wednesday, guys. Chop since Wednesday, which typically should be the warning sign. If you're not going to continue here, right? If you're not going to break out, right? If you're not going to break out, you're not going to go anywhere, right? So when you get an aggressive move like this, we all understand that this is a target and this is liquidity. We all understand that. And we all should have been anticipating a dump here. We got bearish divergence, retracement, down we go. 4-hour trigger wave, I believe it was. Look at this 4-hour. Okay, I missed this. Okay, I'm not perfect either. Look at the 4 hour. We got bearish divergence. We got a retest back in. I bet this is a sell wall we had in our Discord, so I did give you guys the sell wall. Not saying I shorted it. I didn't. I fucked up too. Okay. Right? Into trigger wave. It was all there. Hindsight's always whatever, man. Did you take the trade? Because trading's about execution. I don't care what you say. People. That's why I make fun of some people who come on here and draw squiggly lines and horizontals and don't take trades, right? That's me. Because I'm like, you can come on here and you can bullshit an audience about previous price action. Can you take the trade? Can you take the SFP this morning? Or do you have the cojones to take the trade? You tell me, right? You could also be tracking momentum here. So something that we teach as well is you could have been tracking this momentum, and as soon as you broke that momentum, you could be looking for rollover, at least into the liquidity of the lows. So there's many opportunities to short this thing. I didn't short it. I was busy with my family, which is fine. Which is actually a lot better than, whatever. Money can't buy that time with your kid. So bearish divergence. Yeah, as soon as you mitigate the low here, guys. Down only. I should have recognized this, and I'm sorry I didn't for the Discord members. However, we are here now, and we give you guys the call from the shitter. It's hard to be present all the time on these crypto charts. They tend to take advantage. We have a weekly candle close and a monthly candle close coming in. I warned you guys about that. Volatility is coming. I suggest you don't trade it, right? And down we went. So now we have resistance coming above us, support coming below us. Where do we think we're going, right? And really, this isn't bad. This is probably our best kind of defense that we've had since the horrible liquidation event, okay? Where we consolidated sideways and eventually broke down. Okay. Now we have this again, right? So what are we going to do? Are we going to retest and break down again? Are we going to consolidate in here, sweep the lows, and then bounce out of here? This would be ideal. Okay. I would like for these lows to be taken. Doesn't have to happen today. Okay. Could come on some news or whatever, but this liquidity at minimum, okay, would like to be taken. Now, the thing is that sounds all fine and dandy, but what really is in our way is we have a boat ton of support down here, guys. So when we look at this and we pull volume across and we look at where we're at, we can see that there is this big chunk of volume in here that we would look to find support from. And we are actually bouncing off it currently at the moment. Okay. The problem with coming for the low, my friends, okay? So I would prefer a bounce here. That's why there's a pink box here. The problem with coming for the low is that there's a possibility that you get acceptance below this volume level. Okay? So you would come down into here. Now, what worries me about that, because if you break down here and you fail to reclaim here, it is a very straight up path to about $72,000. Okay, this is, let me explain it to you in simple terms for you simple people here. Okay, all right, there we go. That means that right here, okay, you got this guy, and he's got you for now, okay? You on Pride Rock, all right? But if you do not reclaim and you do something like this, Simba is going to zero, okay? I'm on one already. Don't let me make money this early in the week, man. It's not healthy for my character. Okay? That's the simplest terms. Okay? So we would like to hold here, preferably. Okay? Preferably. If this, then that. So we are retracing golden pocket level right now, volume level of the local range, okay? So be prepared for that. That's my warning sign to everybody this week, okay? We got a lot of data coming out. There's a very, very easy opportunity for the bears to take advantage of it and dump us down. I mean, sweeping into retesting these areas, okay? And then the bears win, in my opinion. The bears would win if we lose and we come back into this range. Then the bears win. We need to make a very big monetary decision on how to rotate profits, but we'll see. For now, we look at the hopium, and the hopium is this, okay? That we here on the Bitcoin price action have come back to our golden pocket retracement level, and that doesn't mean we can't come down to any of these retracement levels, but we have come into our main one here, where we would look for a valid SFP, which we have right now, and a continuation back out, and maybe a double bottom, and then out we go, something like that. Okay. However, we have closed below this low. We have rolled over. We have lost this low here. We would look for retest continuation down naturally, and then you get a nice little head and shoulders here, and everybody cries. Okay. So we want to see the defense come in here at this big volume support in here. Otherwise, we could break down and retest and dump. Okay, so this would be the hopium. Now, if we push out of here for now, okay, if we push out of here right now, the problem is that we could be potentially looking for that head and shoulders and come back down. I don't know why this is red. This should be green, but we could push into that head and shoulders now and come for the low and then potentially sweep out. Okay, so you have if this, then that. Right now, we understand liquidity. We want to take the liquidity at least halfway up the candle. Okay, for the retracement and continuation down. Bulls need to defend this area. We have quantitative easing, which takes a while to get into the market, okay? It doesn't just quantitative easing, money printer, go bird. It doesn't just happen like that, okay, guys? It takes time, unfortunately. So, if this, then that. Now, market cipher looks like complete trash, okay? We flip through here. Down, 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 down. The hopium is the daily trigger wave, in my opinion. Okay, the daily, if we can start to do this coming into mid to end of week, right around Thursday, you're telling me there's a chance, right? Okay, there's a chance. If we can start to roll back up with a green dot or something like that, VWAP coming back in, but not yet. Not yet. Okay. The 12-hour 2, we have a trigger wave forming there. Still ugly money flow right back out. Right back out, right? Look at the 8-hour. We are making higher lows. Now we are not. Okay, a little trigger wave here. This is the hopium that you can hold on to. Okay, but right now this looks like trash. Okay, trash. Anchor wave here. Anchor trigger wave trying to push back here, trying to retrace back into this area in here. Now we have our key levels and we're prepared. So either way, if this, then that. We don't really give a rat's butt about where we go because we're scalpers and we're traders. We can make money up, down, all around, short, long. I actually prefer shorts. But for our portfolio's sake, for our portfolio's sake, we would prefer up. Okay. Okay. We got 350 people in here today, and I haven't asked you for a single like. Where do you think the likes are? 82. That's embarrassing, guys. I thought we were all family here, man. 82 likes. Spitting the alpha. That's garbage, man. Trapping traders. Stop dead on Solana, I think, here. Not yet. I would like to just realize $23. You think they'll give me $23, guys? $25. We'll put it at 25 plus fees. You think they'll give me $25 or not? Oh, it's coming for me. Give me more? You think they'll give me 25? I want a $500 trade. I want just 500 straight up. I don't think they're going to give it to me, bastards. Good morning. Your explanation this morning was incredibly informative. That's because I used Rafiki to do it, man. It wasn't me. It was all Rafiki. How do I like my steak? Medium rare, but more rare than medium. Stopped out. GG's in the chat. Good SFP this morning, guys. Coming back for the order block retest right now. No trade. Cyber Monday. Get your TradingView discount. Let's go, baby. You still hold a lot of Solana? Yeah, Solana's a long-term hodl bag for me. It's a 5-year investment. I think Solana will go to $2,000 in the next 5 years. I love when you explain things in simple terms. I love you, Dave, man. Thank you for coming through, bro. When are you going to come on the show, bro? We've been waiting almost a month for your ass to come on here and show me your Nostradamuses, man. I want to see your backhand slice tennis moves, man. Everybody's singing Lion King this morning. Tom Crown is the GOAT. Yes, he is. Of FOMC for sure. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Massey. Massey, did you see the Leafs blowout game? 7-2? Oh, baby. We're back. We're back. We're coming for first seat. Look at this dump, man. This is good. It gets the people going. Anybody in a short? The baboon from Lion King. Yeah, that's the one, man. Smash the likes. Thank you so much, Nomo, for the $1 super chat. FOMO, Nomo, everybody. Bro, it's just hard for me to be in the game still whenever we're trading Asia. I will do it because I know you get up earlier than I do. So you're going to come and trade Asia with me? Tuesdays or Wednesdays, you're going to come trade Asia? I'm up at 4:30 every morning, Dave. No excuses. You got to set the bar high. Then I'm trading until 10 o'clock at night. There is no second best, man. I have to inspire the otters, man. I have to be Lord Otter, King Beaver. If I cannot retain that title, I will quit. Okay? This is my alter ego right here. This is how I feel when I wake up in the morning. I get up and I'm like, all right, let's go. Let's lead the otters, bro. All right. You see? I get up. I put on my suit. I get my furry friends and I try to lead them to Valhalla. Even when we take our morning, drop the kids off at the pool. Okay? Even when we do that. I'm full of surprises, guys. You never know what's coming in this place, do you? You never know what's coming. Good dump here. Down we go. Solana coming back for late longs. Little bounce here. Trying to go. Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful day. I have another good one here for you, Dave, if you want. Where's my downloads? I'll put in my pictures here. Here's your AI. Look, we got some of the gang in here, guys. Be free, my otters. Non-stop, man. Nice sweep in here. All right. Shorting Zcash. Nice, man. Keen Bean, good to see you. Nope. Rolling over here. Bitcoin flat. Getting a lot of volatility on Solana here. Not something I necessarily want to trade right now. It's very violent. I don't like violence, guys. I swore off violence at 28 years old. I used to like a little rumble as a hobbit, and I swore off violence. I'm no longer a violent man, which is not easy. What was the saying? I hate you with so many lefts, you'll be begging for a right. Kindness is the key to everything. Being kind. Don't be a douche canoe. Say good morning. Hit the like button. Only 136 likes. 370 people in here. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. So what's the sentiment here? We've gone through a full analysis of Bitcoin, kind of where we're at, what we're looking for. What is how bearish is the tube of Youb here? Okay. Oh, FD White's done. Look out below. Okay. Carry trade 2.0. Urgent update. Do you guys know how many people got liquidated last night? Probably like 200 billion. 200, that's my guess. $200 billion. Crypto taxes. Look how many crypto tax. This is how much Canada's paying Google to promote crypto taxes. Look at this. Crypto taxes. Only in Canada, guys, will you get this much crypto taxes. Shocking move. You got the shocker on Bitcoin Hyper. I was wrong. No shit. All right. Man, if I had boobs, I would sell so much more Bitcoin videos. Yeah, that's for damn sure. Is that rude? I don't think that's rude. I think that's accurate. We can ask Grok, because Grok, if I had boobs in my thumbnails on YouTube, would people click it more? Let's see what Grok says. All right. Yes. Grok says, yes, thumbnails with visible cleavage or boobs, especially on attractive women. I'm not an attractive woman. Reliably get higher click-through rate on YouTube, often dramatically higher. Here's what the data on the creator. Okay, forget about this. I believe you. I'm not going to debate that. There's no trade right now, guys, by the way. We're just having some fun. Is that bad? Upload file. Add great cleavage and great boobs and cleavage to this photo, please. Still waiting here. I can't use Nano Banano anymore? You need an API key. What's that? I just want an image made, man. I want AlexOCrypto with cleavage. Go back to Grok. Stiletto forming, yeah. Alex woke up Monday horny. You're damn right, Alex. Lunar Beaches, crypto, Army Piper. What do I say to ETH? ETH has looked bad for a long time, man. Buy level. ETH. Yeah, ETH's got to hold this block, basically. You're looking here, though. Okay, chop in here, guys. No trade here. SFP of the low. In my opinion, this is trapping longs right now. So you've come back retested. Okay, rolling over a little bit. See if it can push here, but Grok won't add cleavage to my picture. That's not very nice, Grok. Okay. Why is ISM today at 8 o'clock? Does anybody know that? Why is it at 10 a.m. for you guys? Why is it at 10 a.m.? So it's waiting to see if okay, still waiting here. Anybody in any trades right now? Did anybody short that? Not something I would trade. Okay, so still waiting here. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out and putting up with my ridiculousness, I guess. I don't know. You guys are here for the ridiculousness. Let's be honest, right? We're trying to make crypto honest again. Downtrending momentum. We got a little channel forming in here, guys. But no trade right now. Still waiting. 2 trades this morning. 1 short, 1 long. Up $700 to start the day. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Making crypto honest again. 373 people in here. Thank you guys for hanging out. Just waiting right now. Only 150 likes. I think we do a little bit better than that. I would really appreciate that if you guys wouldn't mind smacking up some like buttons and subscribing. That would be cool. We still have the sale. We're going to do the Christmas extended Monday Cyber Black Friday sale. That's what we'll call it. We need a new code. Let's see what we got. We got Ho Alex O for the first one. Okay, we're going to do a poll here. What do you guys think the code should be? Ho Alex O is definitely one of them. We'll do a poll here. Normally we ask, how was your weekend? How was your weekend? Bad. Good. Touched ass and grass. And then we'll put whatever, because you guys are whatever. Silver's going up. Alex O. Bubo. Alex needs... Tickets are still saturated, yeah. You want to see the tickets, guys? You want to see what I have to deal with? Okay, I tried to get 5 done. Last Thursday, 395. Look at this, guys. You want to see tickets? How's that for tickets? Okay. On Thursday, it took me 6 hours. Okay. One of your fellow otter friends, and I won't name names, it took me 6 hours. 6 hours to get them to me to cancel their membership, me to give them a code, and for them to sign up with the new Discord. That was it. 6 hours. Don't even get me started, okay? Same email as your Discord. It's not rocket science. 6 hours. One person. For me to cancel, give a code, tell them to sign up when it expires. That's all you have to do. Okay? I digress. I signed up, but how do I get access to the Discord? The link doesn't work. Go over to the website, go to verify. AlexOCrypto.com. Very simple. You join the Otter Gang. You click subscribe. You join. You check out. Pay your taxes. It's good. Taxes are good. Go to Discord. Click Discord. Verify membership. Big orange button. Ta-da, you're done. It's that easy. That'll bring you to the Discord. It'll verify you. And you're done. It's the code should be boobs. When does J Pow speak today? Do you know what time Chair Pow speaks today? Of course he speaks tonight. What a douche canoe. Eastern Standard Time? AlexOCrypto Gigolo. Oh, man. What's going on, J Violet? Good to see you. Buck, good to see you. The code should be boobs. We could go there. I mean, who doesn't want boobs for Christmas? Know your audience, right? I'm sorry to all the ladies if I offend you. All 6 of you. I still love you, and you guys know that. Delayed. Below VWAP. Trying to push. Very choppy here. No trade, guys. Still waiting. Still waiting here as well. Yeah, no trade. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. We'll see what... retest, continuation. Does that make sense, Nikki? Numbers? Are you good to go, Nikki? If you signed up for the Discord? What's going on, Sulio? Good to see you, Plague Dogs. Could you touch on Fed blackout dates, since everyone wants to know when the Fed speaks today and it's a nothing burger? Well, I think Jerome Powell is just going to go over what data they don't have and what data they are getting, and a little bit of clarification on rate cuts coming in. So I think the only thing to really watch is watch out, flashbang, everybody, how this reacts over the next week going into the 10th, right? Because we're 90% of a cut, right? It doesn't necessarily mean anything, but I think they'll talk a little bit about the type of QE. I think that's going to be a talking point to pay attention to. Is it going to be the slow and steady quantitative easing, right? Which you would assume so, because the market really, I mean, guys, when we look at the S&P, let's be realistic, okay? Does this look like they need to be printing money? Does the Fed give 2 shits? No. We are literally 1% off all-time highs. They don't give 2 craps. They don't need to print, right? They don't need to print at all, right? Does this look like panic mode? They need panic mode in order to justify that. They want to see everybody lose their jobs, or want to see a violence. We don't see that here. So it'll be slow and steady, and it'll be painful for crypto. We look at the Russell here. We called the Russell breaking out here, making a higher high, so retrace continuation here. But it's being propped up by AI, and we know that. We know that it's all being propped up by AI. So how do we... the Fed is not going to save us. That's for damn sure. In our little Bitcoin. Less than $3 trillion market cap now, right? Is that true? I think that I heard that yesterday. We've lost our market cap. Crypto market. I mean, just look at Total One, right? 2.89 trillion. Look at that, guys. Losers. And dropping. Okay. Little Opium pump and dump here. No trade. This says lower. A lot of this says lower. We've swept liquidity, and we have rejected V-shaped recovery. Opium trapping longs up top and then dumping on their heads. Expect a lot of this week, guys. A lot of this. So make sure you guys are paying yourselves quite rapidly in this environment. It's going to be critical. Yeah, this is coming down. Even this move right here. I like the sweep this morning. That was a great call from the toilet. However, it's not looking the greatest. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Crypto Billy, good morning. Good to see you. Cyber Monday. Cyber Monday, 80% off. Yeah. Thanks, Mark, for being here. Honda Man, JR, J Violet. Good to see you guys. Hopefully you're all doing well. Up 700 to start the day. Couple of trades. A little short down and a little long up. Okay, happy days. Now I think we remain patient coming into market open. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. Size does matter with market cap. I guess so. For the December meeting, December 9th through 10th, the regional Fed calendar is confirmed the blackout as November 29th to 11th. I have no idea what the blackout is, guys. A blackout is when the power goes out and you watch all the Gen Zs and the Gen Alphas panic because their phones don't work. I lived through a 4-5 day blackout in Toronto. Sure, we had candles and everything. 2003, I was 13, guys. 2013. It was like 5 days. We had candles. We had to buy bags of ice to put in our fridge to keep our milk and stuff cold. Yeah, man. We went back to the pioneering times in downtown Toronto as a kid. This was funny, man. This was really cool. It was really cool. Everybody out and about and talking about the blackout and hanging out. Really interesting. Remember my mom bringing home candles. I don't see the Discord link anywhere or on the website or in the email you received. You should just go over to the website, verify account, AlexOCrypto.com. Go over to Discord, verify membership, enter Discord. It should be on this page for you, my friend. Welcome to the family. Thank you for joining. If you have, you shouldn't have any issues. I didn't hit my November 150. I was short by 2,700. DeFi, I went for it. I took some heavy losses. I was close, and then I took like a $3,000 loss because I pushed it. A $2,000 loss, sorry. I was pushing for it. Yeah, I was pushing for it, and I didn't get there, man. I pushed for it on Friday, and then I took a $2,000 loss, and I was like, you know what? This is degenerate. Yeah, so I ended up at 147 and change, something like that. DeFi. I was pushing for it though. I tried to get to that 150,000, and I fell short. I fell short. Come on, but I tried to go for it. I didn't get there though. Do I short Ethereum now because it's showing an upside down cup and handle pattern? We never trade that here, bro. We never trade that here. This is not an upside down cup and handle pattern either. What are you looking at? This is Bart Simpson. This is Marge Simpson. This is liquidity. I wouldn't touch Ethereum. Look, why do you not touch Ethereum? Look at the wicks. Okay, look at this. This is why you don't touch Ethereum. You're chopping, and you're chopping, but you're chopping like 2.5%. You're gonna get wrecked here if you get direction wrong, right? And then it pops on you. So Ethereum has been, in my opinion. You look at one candle here on a 1 hour candle. You got volatility of 0.5%. You're not getting anywhere. You're very much, I call it highlighter price action. You're big, fat, thick price action. Meaning it looks like it's going somewhere, but really you're just doing this. Garbage. You don't want to trade something like that. Unless you're doing some big ass swing trade, which I can't help you with that much. I could go like this if you want. Here's your setup. Do what you want with that. But it's like you want to pick things that are moving. I mostly trade Solana because it was out. I don't know if it is now. It's outperforming Bitcoin. So we look at Solana. Solana Bitcoin chart. We zoom out. We take a look here. Look, it's not anymore. Okay, so it has made a lower low. So it's not necessarily your best bet. However, I like the way Solana moves. So if there's an opportunity to trade it, I will. So you can see here, since the 18th, it was outperforming Bitcoin. Now, not so well. Okay, so it has been breaking down, really. So actually, I sent an alert here just in case we do want to get going on Solana, but this is breaking down. But typically, I'll trade Solana and Bitcoin. Solana, I find, supports good. It moves properly. It chops and pops, but it moves properly. Okay, if you can get direction right. Look at the SFP here. Bounce, continuation. You go over to ETH. What do you got here? Short-term time frame. Look how trash this is. You got SFP here. You didn't take the liquidity of the highs here. You just rolled back over. Yeah, this not for me, man. Pick your poison, right? Like you want to trade stuff that gives you a little bit of a chance, right? Like you don't want to fight. This is not an easy market to trade right now. So you want to stick to your big dogs, Bitcoin, Solana. Ethereum has always been the problem with Ethereum, and if you've back tested it at all, okay, and I have, so I mean, is that Ethereum is it'll come in here, I'll put in your golden pocket, right? And then it'll come up here and it will just miss your 618. Okay? It front runs levels like you wouldn't believe. It's incredible how often it happens on Ethereum. Nice push here for Bitcoin. Continuation here off support. Looking strong coming into market open. 904. Everybody, thank you for being here. Supporting the channel, hanging out, smacking like buttons, subscribing if you're new. We got 420 people here. Cool, man. 421 for all you smokers out there. I hear you guys. Oh, 420. Thank you, DeFi Diva. I appreciate you. Yeah, crazy month for me. I think the highest month I've had before last month was, I think, 39 or 49,000. Either or. I don't plan on beating this one ever. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. Triangle flagpole thingy with the other thingy breakout, Lifer is a legend. Yeah. I mean, try to be kind to everybody. That's it, man. If you're making money with whatever flaggy pole thing dangly you're doing, new crypto cap symbols added on TradingView. We've expanded our crypto cap list. Nobody wants your expansion on crypto cap TradingView. Yeah, this is trash. Trash. Look at that. Retest of previous lows. Continuation down. Anchor trigger here. 12-minute. The bull divs is good here, but this is... We don't want to be retail. So retail would be like, okay, bullish divergence. Breakout, retest, continuation. Yeah, cool. We want to understand where the liquidity is, right? And right now, coming into market open, this tells me that there's trapped longs here. There's trapped shorts here. there's clearly trap shorts here as well. So for me, what would be best is if we chop in here, we get everybody excited up into here, then we dump on their heads. 3 drives, bullish divergence. That would be the best bullish outcome, in my opinion. Because we don't need to come here. We don't need to. I would prefer it, but we'll see what it brings. We'll see what it brings. Right now we're in the hot dog zone, guys. You don't want to be trading here. You don't want to get wiener slapped, okay? Hot dog. Here's your hot dog. Here's your buns. We have not had any opportunity besides the SFP this morning that we called in the Discord. If you are new here, welcome. You can join the Discord if you want or not. I don't need any more tickets, so you can just stay away. The best Discord in crypto. Helping you guys navigate these charts. Sorry, flashbang. 87% chance of rate cut. 430 people in here hanging out, smacking buttons. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Hopefully you got sorted with the Discord there, whoever was signing up there and having issues. You turned 38 Saturday, Lunar Beaches, you old geezer. Ada and Sui are dying, yeah. What does mean in minus 9,000? No clue. You guys are all starting your Euro River cruise? I mean, that sounds gay, but I know you're not, so. It sounds cool. Are you going to Italy? Yeah, probably, Dave. What's going on, Jeanette? Good to see you. Hopefully you're doing well. Scott, what's going on, man? Baru. Good morning, everybody. I'm going to go and get some more coffee. I'm going to get some more coffee before we start here. I'll leave you guys with the tunes, okay? Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel, smacking up the like buttons. I'll be back.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
guys. You guys probably can all hear my son going, "Da-da, da-da." Baby otter in the house. Okay, what's going on, everybody? Nice little push up here. Continuation. Switzerland. Baru. Careful, everyone. In Europe. Everywhere in Europe. Careful in Paris. It's the ghetto. Yeah. It's my birthday, but it's blood on the streets. That's all right, man. Got liquid? You got liquidated? No. It's not acceptable, man. Liquidation is not acceptable. My son liquidated me yesterday. He cannonballed in the bathtub. That's as far as it goes. It's my second 25th today. So you're 50. Happy birthday, bro. God bless. Don't go outside in Belgium, yeah. He ordered a jar of Nutella. That's sweet, man. Can't you give everyone here $1? Could I give everyone $1? I mean, they charged me $1 fees to send $1. So that'd be kind of annoying. You know what? I would give everybody here $1 if I had, how many people are here? We got 380 people here. If I had 380 loonies, which is $1 coin in Canada, I would give you all loony. But for me to sit there and transfer $1 USDT to every single one of you guys, I got better things to do with my life, guys. And hopefully you do too. Christmas rallies incoming there. Army Piper's got his...
Bitcoin Christmas. Let's unwrap today's market trends.
Man.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Bitcoin Christmas. Let's unwrap today's market
we can
trends.
Capture that.
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh,
Merry
you,
Bitcoin
bro.
Christmas.
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
unwrap today's market
We
trends.
got you, bro. Everybody. Army Piper. We got him. We got him, guys. Don't underestimate my screenshotting skills. Never underestimate my screenshotting skills. We got ya. Oh, no. Oh, no. So how do you want it, Army? Oh, I love you, bro. I wouldn't do that to you. Everybody? Oh, I'm sorry, man. This is too easy. Everybody? Army Piper. Never underestimate my screenshotting skills. Join the Discord. Bitcoin's dumping, guys. Oh no. Oh man, what a day today's been already, guys. We're starting it off with a good one. I mean, when you're I'm gonna get in trouble. Is it a good time to short? No. We're waiting here. We got 12 minutes till market open. Let's see how the market opens. We're going to see how the SPY reacts. What I want to see is how the S&P opens up this morning. But for now, we can laugh. We can all have a good giggle. Trading's not easy. You got to take the piss, especially out of the people you love. I love you, Piper. We'll be sending the stream here to see exactly what Santa has in store for everybody after we trade. So stay here because we'll be sending you over to the Piper Academy, and you will see what those sweet lips are all about. It'll be a jolly good time. I feel my pecker tingling, balls are jingling too. Why don't I link 'em together for put my pecker in you? Okay, maybe too far now. Too far. I'm in the Christmas spirit already, man. How did you learn trading? Finance school or by yourself? I taught myself, man. I taught myself. I mimicked a couple of traders that are respected in the game. Trades by Matt, a little bit of Jason Casper, a little bit of Crypto Face. A little bit of Kyle. Yeah, and then like obsessive backtesting, relentless time in the charts, and a little bit of an obsessive, addictive mindset, and insanely diligent risk management. Ten minutes from now, Christmas tree or fireplace fall. I think right now, well, when we look at the ES, we can see that the ES last night dumped, right? So we're expecting a gap down for the S&P. So a gap down, maybe we fill in this beautiful hole right here. We got a hole right. We got a beautiful gap right here that we could look to come back and fill here. I'm sorry, I can't help myself. It's too easy. But we'll see where we go. We also have another one down here. All right, that we could potentially come back for. I'm gonna get in trouble with my friends. So if this, then that. We'll see how it materializes for the rest of the day. But we want to see how this opens, and then we want to see how price is going to react coming into open. We have a nice SFP consolidation continuation. So for me, it's what's going to happen with the liquidity. Are we going to fake everybody out? Because everybody's bullish right now, right? We've SFP'd. Everybody wants to get long here. We have liquidity. So do we slap the liquidity and then dump on everyone's heads? That's, to me, this is the highest probable, right? We get everybody happy, and then we dump on their damn heads, and we get 3 drives, bullish divergence, then the long's down here, and we take advantage of it that way. Okay? But for now, we're in the middle of the range. No trade. Just want to be patient here. Coming into market open. Solana, same deal. Yeah, breaking down. Support level, trying to hold. No bueno. Okay, so patience here, patience here. We'll see how the market opens. We got 8 minutes. Piper is here. I love you, bro. You got a reversal signal on the weekly? Is that on Chart Prime? 5-day. We'll see what Piper has. Interesting. Piper's going to sue me for defamation of character. Oh, man. Only pipes? You guys better all subscribe to Army Piper here, guys. When are you going to... 8,000 subscribers, bro. I thought you said you were trying to get to 8K. You hit 8K. When did you hit 8K? Choppy. Thanksgiving Day, okay. So Thursday. I would pay the monthly fee for only pipes too, man. How do you manage your risk? I find it so hard to put a stop loss and not enter right after. You have to, before you enter a trade, you should have clear invalidation. Clear invalidation. So if you're long here, where's your invalidation? Right? Is it this low? Is it this low? Is it this block? Is it this low? Where are you wrong? You must understand where you're wrong. And then within that, you must understand that how much am I willing to risk per trade? Which should be 1%. Otherwise, you're going to blow up your account. Okay. But you need to understand where your invalidation is. For me right now, the invalidation would be a little wiggle room under here. Okay, that would be my invalidation. My target would be this high here and liquidity in here, early take profit VWAP. Right, so it would look like this. Is this a good R multiple? In my opinion, no. Because why? We're in the middle of the range. Does it look better from here? Absolutely, right? So invalidation also comes with what time frame are you trading? Are you trying to take a 1 hour trade up to here, or are you trying to take a 4 hour trade up to here? Or are you trying to take a 30-minute trade up to here? Right? What type of trade are you taking? Is it a scalp? Is it intraday? Is it swing? You must define that too before entering. Because then you know, whoopsie, Steam. Then you know how long you're going to be in the trade, how much drawdown you're going to have in the trade potentially. It's all very important before you take the trade. That's why I always suggest to everybody who joins the Discord in the must videos, says, what type of trader are you going to be? For me, I'm intraday and scalping. Sometimes I'm taking an intraday trade. Sometimes I'm taking a scalp, leaving a runner, right? So you must define the trade and then adapt along the way. But risk is not negotiable. It's always, risk management's your easiest job in trading. Trading is hard. Risk management is not hard. Being an absolute degen and an idiot and a gambler is your choice as a person. You're not going to win. I promise you that. You're going to be wrecked. Leverage is a tool. We got 3 minutes here till market opens. What does a brothel that went out of business post on the door? Beat it, we are closed. That's pretty good. Little push here coming into market open. Like I said, enticing buyers, right? This is all enticing buyers. CVD is increasing with buyers, so a little bit of, okay, we had absorption here. Yeah. Enticing buyers this morning. NASDAQ flat. Bear flag. Not taking the high here. Interesting. We might come sweep here, and then we come for the lows. I would assume here minimum. Gap down for the SPY this morning. How low will it go is the question. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and supporting the channel. Subscribing if you're new. And if you're in the Discord and I've given you your code to go over to the website, please help me close your ticket. Please. Please, that's all I ask. We're live here every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out here. I appreciate you guys. Trading is lonely, so we're here showing you the trades, taking the trades, helping you guys navigate these charts. Hopefully this is never financial advice. I'm just a hobbit in Canada who talks a lot of smack and takes trades with you guys and hopefully helps you guys take trades as well. Thank you for putting up with my ass. And Army Piper. Oh, man. Too good. Just delete every ticket that has nothing to do with the membership. Yeah. Market is open. Ding, 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 ding. So here's our gap down. So this has been filled now. So now we have a giant gap below. Okay, so target box acquired. Mr. Army Piper. Gapping down. NASDAQ pushing. Like I said, I want to see NASDAQ sweep into here and then come for the lows. Bitcoin, I want to see it sweep into here, then come for the lows. Still waiting. We're in the middle of the range. No trade here. Looks like continuation up. Enticing more buyers. Okay. No trade here. Considering a short up in VWAP area here. We'll see. A little patience here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Yeah. Weakness here. Clear weakness. Gap down as expected. Got to come here at least. Come on. Nice push for NASDAQ. Flat here. Remember, we do have news at 10 a.m. this morning as well. We got the manufacturing PMI. We want that to get over 50, guys. That's going to be bullish if it gets over 50 one day. But until then, it's stuck around 48. Forecasted for 48.8. We'll see what we get. Double top here, rolling over. No trade. Still waiting. Okay. We can lower this pink box now down into here. Considering we have put that low in and we have a major support level right here. So let's just keep our pink box in check here. Doing its job this morning, rolling over. Bitcoin coming down. All right. Solana, SFP again, round 2, rolling over. Not looking good here for Solana, lower. Down 6% for the day for Solana, not looking too good. We are looking for a potential pushback later on this afternoon, if it's going to happen. Yeah, not looking good on Solana either. Bitcoin chopping at the bit. Oh, man. Okay, there's that pull coming down lower. Nasdaqian. SPY, no strength here. We might go sideways until 10, guys. We might just go sideways till 10, which I'm okay with. It's just the market gets horny over news, right? Because it hasn't had, because of the government shutdown, it hasn't had it in so long. It's like, you know, it's getting the cobwebs off. Sweep of the lows, continuation up here. Same with Solana. This could run. This could run. If it runs, I need it to take this high. And I don't like this low. Bitcoin could push into VWAP like we said. Come for this high here. A lot of the time, though, they'll sweep, they'll push it back, and then they'll actually take you out. So we'll see here. Nice bounce so far for Solana. Bitcoin trying to follow through here. Doji engulfing candle coming through. Still got a minute and a half on this candle. Patience here. Wick test here. No wick test here. Continuation through, up into VWAP. A little bit of strength coming through. Not bad. Anybody put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Would love to know, guys. Thank you for being here. Slapping up like buttons, hanging out, man. 480 people here, guys. Thank you guys for hanging out. Let me know. Are you long? Are you short? Long, long, long. We got some longs in here. Okay. Hands, skiing. I'm skiing, guys. I'm total skiing. I'm up 700 today. Don't need to justify entering a middle of the range trade, in my opinion, but you guys do what you want. You guys do what you want. I'm waiting too short. Okay, yeah. Good push here for Biddy. GG's on your longs. Everybody loves seeing you guys win. What's going on, Trade Intuition? LBC's long. All right. All right, trying to push here. Continuation. We got some longs and some shorts. Trying to get up here to VWAP, like we said. Look at this. Solana follow through. Double bottom, equal lows. Trying to go. Yeah. We'll see here. Money flow's coming in. Trying to push. 12-minute looks healthy as well. NASDAQ. Sweep of the highs on NASDAQ. A little pushback here for SPY. Coming into resistance here. Following through here for Biddy. Nice push up. Let's see how it reacts at VWAP here. Considering a short at VWAP. Nice push. Nice sweep and push. Let's go. Push Bitcoin. No trade. Still waiting. 10 minutes till orb. Oscar just joined the membership. Open up a ticket. You didn't use the Black Friday code, Oscar. Whoever just joined the Discord. I don't understand why people want to pay more, but you can pay the full price if you want, Oscar. Thank you for joining the gang. Black Friday is the code. I will now have to add it. So open up a ticket in the Discord, and I will add it to your membership so you don't have to pay full price. See? Kindness is king. More tickets. I love tickets, man. Nice push here. Trying to go. Solana trying to go as well. Nice. Nice push up. NASDAQ following through, coming for the liquidity in these highs here. Concerning. S&P's pushing. Continuation here. Looking good. Like I said, I think they're trapping longs, but that's just me. Going short, 90 to 91K. All right. I'm here waiting, guys. I'm here waiting. Nice little sweep and go here. Market open. Yeah, sweep and go on the 1 minute. Follow through here. Overextended, retest to previous highs, continuation up. Solana, exhaustion, NASDAQ. Like I said, I want to see NASDAQ come into here. One high swept. Let's see if we can come up a little bit more. And rejection. Bitcoin, not even getting to VWAP yet. Still waiting. Join Alex on his new website, Ticketmaster.com. Want a ticket support person? No, because I have to go through like their personal information, and I don't trust anybody else to do that. No offense to you, Kyle, but I know people want to keep their stuff, especially in the crypto world. They want to keep their emails and their names private, and I will obviously respect that. And I'm not saying that you wouldn't. But I think it's got to be me or my wife who deals with it. Much love, though. Thank you, Kyle, for offering. I should just be working through the tickets while we wait for a trade, shouldn't I? I should just keep the live stream open and work on the tickets. Kyle. Alex only has about 50 plus tickets, guys, and wants to collect more. They're like Pokemon cards. Oh, fuck. Help. What's going on, Sniper? Good to see you, bro. How you doing, man? You get enough... What is it? You had like 100 quails or something like that, bro? You crazy, man. You want to come? I saw like 5 elk yesterday outside my house. I can show you if you want. I can show you. You can go hunting. Come to Canada, mate. I'll show you some real hunting. All right, here you go. Just a regular day in Canmore. Elk. Look how many there are. More elk. Hey, buddy. Oh yeah, there's one.
More elk.
Oh yeah, baby.
And another one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, is that another one? Yep.
One in the ditch.
One in the ditch.
That one's ready to be hit. Okay, SFP down we go. Back into the range. Didn't even come for this high. Enticing buyers, right? Enticing buyers this morning. Look at that. NASDAQ doing its thing. S&P, there it is. Rolling over. Solana dumping. Double top. Rolling over. Still waiting here, guys. Coming back into the range. Pheasants. I'll send you a couple of elk. That was 2 weeks ago. We are snow covered now, Primo. We are very snow covered now. Minus 18 yesterday. All right. Down we go. 3 drives up on the 3 minute. So 1, 2, 3. So for me, 3 drives, we want that to happen at a high, right? So we would want 3 drives up here, not necessarily up here. Okay. If we started to push like that, we want to take liquidity with 3 drives. Okay. So if we could count, we would want it to be up in a liquidity zone, not necessarily in the middle of the range. Like, you're not going to call this 3 drives here. You'd call this 3 drives down here, right? Because it's at the low of a range, and then you would look for the breakout retest continuation trade there. And it works, you see? Or you go bearish divergence, SFP, rotation down, right? That's your 3 drives there. but you're not necessarily wanting to call 3 drives in the middle of the range. Hopefully that helps you. We're looking for 3 drives down here. Look at this rollover. Beautiful. 1 minute till orb. Good morning, Sulio. We can start an elk farm. Let's go, man. Let's go. Rolling over here. Expectational order flow, right? So we swept into the liquidity here. Now we look to rotate back down to the late longs down here, trapping traders in here all morning. So everybody getting bullish in here, not paying themselves, coming back down, looking for the retracement now. Okay, we can pull a fib here if we wanted to. Look for a potential SFP into our golden pocket 786 zone. And look for potential continuation up. Right now, just chopping. Gonna have orb high up here. VWAP and orb high working together, so we can see possible breakout retest continuation trade maybe this afternoon. We got news coming in 15 minutes. We'll see what we get for an orb low right now. Looks like we got rotation down. Solana, lower. Yeah. Lower, lower, lower. Lower and slower. Right, Mark Dutch. Coming down for the lows on Solana. Bitcoin bleeding out. NASDAQ holding. SFP. SFP on NASDAQ. Not bad. SPY looking like shite. All right. Economic calendar. ISM. Coming at us hot and ready this morning. Orb is in, holding lower orb right now. We'll see how it continues today. Chop in the middle of the range, guys. Not something I'm really interested in. Solana, sweep of the lows. A little bit better, but not really. Yuck. I'll wait there. Oh, nice SFP on the NASDAQ. Like I said, potential pushback. Not seeing it so much on Bitcoin here. Holding orb, trying to push out here. Engulfing candle. Yeah, still questionable. Got money flow coming back into the market right here, so this is decent. Still trying to push here. Thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel and smacking up like buttons, subscribing if you're new. You pronounce it Suhilio? Suhilio? Not Sulio? Suhilio? Suhilio? Is that right? Suhilio? Suhilio? Suiello? I'm just going to call you Susan. Okay, Sue? Typically a 2-to-1 there, Max. Swan in swag, Leo. Swalio? Swalio? I'm going to call you Susan, man, at this rate. Swalio? Swalio? Is that it? Swalio. Swalio. How the fuck is that Swalio? Swellio. Swellio. Swirly? Swellio. Okay, Swellio. Infinite Team TA. With the 10, man. God bless you, bro. Thank you for the 10. I saw you streaming again. Are you streaming again or what? Edward, Lurker, Jack. Below average. Good to see you, man. Martin, Lurker. KPS, GG's, Bad Doggy, Scott, Diabolical Bean, Joe Ruiz. I don't know who's a lurker because of all these names, but let's see some lurkers in the chat. Welcome to the Otter Gang. How many trades do I take in a day? About 3 to 5, depending on the setups. I've taken 2 already today. We're up $700. I typically look to make between $500 and $1,500 a day. Currently up 7, so happy days so far. Swellio. It's Swellio. Swalio. Swalio. Guys, you guys are... Why don't you go in the Discord and the family chat and record and go on your phone and say your name, and then I'll know how to say it. Otherwise, I'm going to call you Susan, man. Nice, Infinite. God bless, bro. Trying to hold here. 9 minutes till the news. I'll stay a little bit longer for the news, guys. Right now we're just chopping orb in the middle of the range, so no trade. We'll see how the manufacturing comes out today. ISM manufacturing, which is actually very important, guys. When this is above 50, it leads to a bull run, okay? When it's above 50. Right now, it ain't even close, okay? It ain't even close. We need to see this increase. Increase is bullish, okay? So, right now, we would like this thing to go up. Forecasted for 48.8. We'll see. Consensus is 48.6. So, anything above 48.6 or even is good enough for me. Okay? So we wait. We wait here patiently. NASDAQ's getting a little push. SPY's recovering a little bit right now. Obviously, in anticipation for the data coming out in 8 minutes, everybody. The trade was here this morning. That was the trade. I shorted into this and I longed out of it. Now we are in the middle of the Chopzilla and we're sitting on our hands waiting patiently here. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. Thank you for being here. What's with the Jimmy Neutron hairstyle? I need a haircut so bad. I was thinking about just going Otter Gang hat today. I have there we go. Ask him to show all of his trades for the past 30 days. Yeah, man. I'll show you. You show me yours, I'll show you mine, bro. Oh, but can I show you the trades from today? Yeah, absolutely. So we took 2 Solana trades this morning. We have them right here for you. There's my 4 $175 and the $205 trade here. I shorted this wick here, so we had a wick retest breakdown here. So I was looking for Solana to come and grab more liquidity because Bitcoin hadn't grabbed liquidity this morning. So I wanted to see Solana come lower here. So I shorted this candle here down into that liquidity, made $200 there. And then I longed from the toilet on the shitter this morning, telling the Discord SFP long. And I longed from here, and then I added to the trade here during the morning, and then we took profits on the way up here. So those were the two trades this morning. So you can make money from the toilet. And I mean, that's been my day so far. So it's been a nice day. So far, so good. Showing you the trades, taking the trades. Having lots of fun, man. It was a good poopy trade. And I notified the Discord. That's dedication, guys. Dedication. Right? Dedication. It's 5:30 in the morning, taking care of business, and still updating the Discord as soon as I get up. Oh, man. Otters are scary. Yeah, they are, man. Just missing the bee necklace, yeah. How should we trade during the news? Should we just trade with 10% capital? 1%, bro. Never 10%. What are you trying to do? Sue, I think it was a great trade, man. Nice push here. Tony, we didn't do the mod stream today, bro. I guess we'll do it tomorrow. Remind me to do the mod stream tomorrow, please. NASDAQ fly in here. Nice push into to the news event, guys. NASDAQ flying into news. SPY is working its way back up as well. Bitcoin flat. Solana flat and down. NASDAQ flying into news. Interesting. So now you look for retest back into here for news event. Retest for NASDAQ means down for Bitcoin. Possible sweep and go. Come back for late longs here and then bounce. See how it works today. I would like an orb flip. That would be quite juicy today. We'd be definitely looking for the orb flip for a long. Or 3 drives down below. 3 drives down below, orb flip continuation trade. Also very cautious here for topping structure for a dump. Okay, so this is a riskier trade here because you can sweep the highs here and then dump. Okay, so be cautious with an orb trade today for a long. I would like a failed orb breakout retest continuation. That would be the best orb trade in my opinion. But we wait. 2 minutes. 2 minutes till we get the news. NASDAQ continues to climb. SPY pushing as well. Not bad. Welcome, Munches. Munchezzy. Very choppy. morning, Charles. I think it's Chalsey. I'm not sure, though. The names need to go back to what they normally were. It's ridiculous. That's ridiculous, man. I'd like us to come here. 1 minute. How's everybody's weekend? Good. Okay, so now we can ask you guys, what should we name? What should we name the Christmas sale? So we got Ho Ho Alex O. We got Eggnog. We got Boobs. And what else? Other. If please suggest. Boobs. ISM 48.2 coming below expectations. Below expectations. Is it a burger? Below expectations. $48.2. Not the greatest, guys. Not what we wanted to see. We wanted to see it push a bit higher here, but it's coming down. Manufacturing's coming down. What does that mean for our rate cuts? That means that we are, hasn't really changed, 88%. Happy days. I'm going to send you guys over to the Piper Academy, guys. We got a Discord live today. Going to be lots of fun. Thank you, everybody, for being here and trading with me this morning. God bless you. Hopefully, you're having a wonderful day. Be patient out there. Use good risk management. I will see you guys later or tomorrow morning. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Go over to the Piper Academy and smash some likes and throw some otters in his chat. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets.